Hello, I'm dgerard and this is Pivot to AI, coming to you Monday to Friday. Today, did you know Copilot made all your code commits? Or VSCode says so anyway. Microsoft VSCode is a text editor for computer programming. It's very convenient and it does the job well. It's popular for a reason. Microsoft just did a little oopsie-whoopsie. Version 1.117 did a little trick. If you use any autocomplete, including tab complete, it marks your code commit with co-authored by Copilot. Even if you don't use Copilot, even if you've got chat.disable AI features switched on. Also, the added text wasn't pasted into the commit message so you could edit it out. VSCode added it quietly after you hit the commit button. Quote, "The most concerning part is that I had already checked the commit message before committing. I deleted Copilot's generated English commit message and manually wrote my own commit message instead. However, after the commit was created, the final Git history still contains the Copilot co-author line." Unquote. This hit the top of Hacker News just on Saturday, May 2nd. Microsoft scrambled to deal with this public relations disaster. Dmitry Vasura, a principal software engineer on VS Code, posted apologizing for the change. Quote, "I am the person who approved this pull request and would like to acknowledge and apologize for the mistake of turning this feature on by default, without sufficient upfront validation. Obviously, it should not be on when Disable AI Features is on, and it should not be reporting changes that were not done by AI. I'll work on fixing those, and meanwhile revert default to off in 1.119 update." Unquote. Didn't Microsoft do any testing before they put this live? Sure they did, and they spotted this problem, but they went ahead and released it anyway. Per Vasura, quote, "We did catch it internally in testing, as we use VS Code for all our work, so some folks did stumble on it. But I think we underestimated the impact and should do a better job at that." Unquote. Yeah, that's great, thanks. Vasura published a fix on Sunday morning, and VS Code will stop doing this in version 1.119, which should be up tomorrow. So, how did this whoopsie-daisy get into VS Code? Well, 3 weeks ago, a product manager, Courtney Webster, decided it would be a great feature to switch on these messages by default. So the product manager vibe-coded the change. The change was reviewed by a Copilot bot. Then Vasura pushed his product manager's vibe code to live, and it went out in VS Code 1.117. Webster, the product manager, has a pile of code commits on GitHub. As far as I can tell, they're almost all vibe-coded with Copilot. And what dev is going to reject their manager's code in 2026? This isn't about business, really. It's not about profit or shareholder value. It's about internal politics. The product manager needs you, the user, to notice their feature. We call this quarterly-driven failure. This is the future that Microsoft is promising your boss. Your manager can fill the software with buggy promotional vibe code themselves, and none of those annoying developers to push back on their great ideas. AI will bring us the boss ideas utopia. Thanks for tuning in to Pivot to AI. And thank you to the lovely Pivot to AI fan who got me an HDMI to USB converter and an AC adapter for Canon SLR cameras off the Amazon wishlist. If you want to get me useful things for Pivot to AI, the wishlist is linked in the show notes. Don't forget to tell the developer in your life about this episode. Spread the word. Hit like and subscribe on YouTube, leave a nice review in your podcast app, and you can help keep Pivot to AI going by dropping just $5 into the Patreon linked in the show notes. Thank you all. I'll see you tomorrow, and bye for now.